Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the continuous love, support. Your girl really does appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you are new here to my channel, thank you guys so much for coming by. Bienvenidos, welcome to our little familia here. If you are interested in anything related to beauty, lifestyle, self-care, and an occasional vlog, then you are in the right place. So make sure you hit that subscribe button along with the post notification bell. That way you are aware of any single time that I do post any new videos. Also, before I do get started, I just want to say that I'm hoping that everyone is staying as healthy and as safe as possible during all times. Many blessings and positive vibes and just a lot of love to each and every one of you guys out there. So before I get started on the real reason why we're here, I just want to go ahead and give like a little disclaimer. Don't mind my eyebrows, guys. I literally did it for the first time like 5 days ago. I got a microbladed. So I'm not gonna lie to you, like 3 days ago I straight up looked like an angry bird, which is one of the reasons I really didn't want to film, because it was literally like thick. I was getting a little nervous, but they're actually starting to kind of calm down a little bit. But as you can see, they're definitely starting to peel a little bit. I have not touched them. I don't have anything on them whatsoever. So it's definitely a process. Before I guess they look good, I have to look a little bit like an angry bird. So it's all gravy, baby. We're gonna go ahead and do this anyway. I just wanted to let you guys know that way you guys aren't like, what in the hell did she do to her eyebrows? Well, that's what happened, and it was only like 5 days ago. So hopefully by the next time I film, they'll slowly start to kind of, you know, get better. But okay, moving on. Now, the main reason why we're here is to review. I'm going to do like a little mini tutorial, easy tutorial, a review and some swatches of the new Kylie Cosmetics collection. Now, one of the reasons why I want to do this is because it's actually my first ever Kylie collection that I've ever gotten. And it's not even the full collection, but it's a palette, and I'll show you guys the rest. But it's the first time I've ever actually invested in anything Kylie. I've always kind of been like, yeah, whatever. But this one, I don't know, it just called my name. This one is called the Wild Thing collection, and a lot of people say that she's cheetah or leopard, or I don't know, it's just like a wild thing. So like, we're gonna go ahead and get straight to it. So this is basically what the palette looks like. I don't really care, you know what I'm saying, to have her on there. It says Kylie. This kind of has like a little bit of like glitter on it, which I'm not really too crazy about. The packaging is super cool, obviously, but I just I just wanted the palette because the palette is absolutely beautiful. The colors is what got me. So this is what the little palette looks like. And this palette retails at $38. It has 15 powders in it, consisting of matte, metallics, and I believe pressed glitter. So yeah, the collection is very fall-like, which is one of the reasons why I gravitated towards it so much. And now that I'm opening this up, I know exactly why I wanted this collection. Because check it out, guys. Hopefully you guys can get the whole feel. Of course, I'm definitely going to go ahead and show you guys some swatches, but I definitely just wanted to show you that at first. I also did pick up her high gloss set, which is a 4 mini glosses in here. I'm gonna go get to that after I actually do like a little eye look for you guys. And I also picked up her new matte liquid lipstick and liner. This is the new matte lip kit. So we're gonna go ahead and get to those afterwards. So let's jump into some swatches. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna go bring them close up to you guys so you guys can actually look, and I'm gonna hold this up to my eye so I can actually see what the shades are. This is the top the top row. So from left to right, we're gonna go ahead and get started with that little lighter one, which is called Wild at Heart, followed by Feline Fine. The middle one is Roar, followed by Golden Speed and Exotic Babe. That's the first row. It's really, really pretty. And that first one, I don't know, that was beautiful. It just like went on like butter. Okay, guys, moving on to the middle row, which is the second row. From left to right, we have Leoness, a Cheetah Girl. That middle one, which is a little bit shaky as far as the swatch, it was kind of coming out a little bit, but that one is called Lucky Leo, followed by Seeing Stripes, and that last one over here is Cool Cat. Alright, and this is the bottom row, which is the last row, and from left to right we have Love You Forever, followed by Chrome Kitty. The middle one is Heart of a Lion. The little bluish one is Wild Side, and the last one is Black Panther. No, I wanted to say Black Panther. Pretty Panther. And that's that one right there. So after swatching them and looking at all the names, I could see why people didn't know if it was a cheetah collection or a leopard collection. It looks like I said earlier, it's literally just like a wild thing collection because it talks about panthers, lions, kitties, cheetahs, a little bit of everything, lionesses. So yeah, it's pretty cool. The colors are absolutely beautiful. And like I mentioned before, one of the reasons why I really wanted this palette is because I felt like for the fall you can create such beautiful looks for Thanksgiving, for the holidays. I don't know, I just fell in love with the color and the aesthetic of it all together. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in again. Reminder, don't mind my eyebrows. And I'm gonna create like a simple little look for you guys so we can kind of mess around with a little bit of the colors and just see what we can create. And then after that, we will get right into the lippies. So let me zoom y'all in. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put a little bit of setting powder around me just to make sure it doesn't fall out all over the place. And first thing I'm gonna do is dig into the Seeing Stripes. And we're just gonna go ahead and go for it. Hopefully you guys can actually see. Alright, the pigment is very nice. There's a little bit of fallout, but nothing too crazy. I really do like this color. It kind of does remind me of like a sunset. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this all over my crease and kind of just blend and pull out a little bit right over here. Keep in mind, I always tell you guys, I'm not a huge makeup, I don't know how to put makeup on like that well, so I've just been learning here recently and I actually really enjoy it, but you know, I'm not an expert, so anything that I create, I literally am probably just struggling through it. I'm like, oh shit, but okay, we're gonna blend this one in a little bit here. All right, so I went ahead and did that one. Now we're gonna go ahead and dig into, what are we gonna dig into? Let's go ahead and dig into this Roar, which is the top middle one right there. I'm changing out my brushes and I'm gonna go ahead and put this a little bit more on the outer corner. Okay, now I'm gonna go in a little bit more, I guess, compacted in that little V. We're gonna go with this kind of brick looking color. Oh, that's a lot of fallout. And that one is called Cool Cat. I'm literally just going to put it in the outer V. All right, that definitely gives it a little bit more dimension, so I'm digging that. Let's do it to the other side. Okay, now we are going to go into Heart of a Lion, and I'm gonna put that more on my lid. Not too bad, not too bad. All right, I think what I'm going to do next, I'm going to dig into this Chrome Kitty, which is the little gold one down here. I'm going to put that on my finger, and I'm gonna just tap it in. Okay, I thought there was gonna be more. Oh, there we go. Alright, I'm not crazy about this Chrome Kitty. I thought it was going to be a little bit different, but let's see if it can get any better. Okay, since we're messing around with fingers and go ahead and doing finger swatches basically on your eye, let's go ahead into this Lucky Leo. Now, the Lucky Leo has been standing out to me. It didn't swatch so well, but I'm actually just going to put it on just to see if it performs differently once you're patting it in to your eye. Yeah, that's better than it did on the swatch. Love how I'm tapping my finger. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take Golden Speed, which is the more yellowish, brighter, and I'm gonna put it right in my inner corner. All right, and that's what it is looking like right now. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna take my brush and I'm going to take this powder off. And let's add a little color to the lower lash line. So for the lower lash line, let's completely switch it up and let's go for this little orange color right over here. This one is in Cheetah Girl. Okay, that's that. And then the last color we're gonna do this burgundy-ish color. It's called Feline Fine. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it basically on the outer corner of the bottom. All right, so this is what it is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera really quick, put on some eyeliner and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back. This is the final look. I didn't go too crazy. I didn't put any eyelashes on or anything like that. I just did a quick little liner and a little bit of mascara. And so overall, I really do like the look. It kind of reminds me like a sunset. It reminds me of a sunset on the Serengeti, which is actually kind of funny because it goes with the whole Wild Thing collection. Overall, I mean, they had a couple of problems with some of the pressed glitters, but overall, I really do love it. Like, I definitely love the colors, the whole aesthetic, like I said earlier, and the colors are absolutely beautiful. Lucky Red and Chrome Kitty were kind of a pain a little bit, but I noticed that once you tap it in, opposed to trying to swatch it, and you just kind of got to work with it, it worked out pretty nicely. So that is the palette. Next, we're gonna move on to the Kylie Jenner High Gloss set. Now this one is a set of 4-piece, like I said, high glosses, and it retails at $49. This is what the packaging looks like. Once again, she's all extra in there with the hat. She looks amazing though, but that's kind of what this one looks like. Alright, so as you can see, it's got the 4 glosses right here. Let's go ahead and pull them out. Alright, and this is what they look like. They are so, I mean, actually, the packaging is really, really pretty. It says that they're small glosses, but this is a very decent size. Look how big it is, well, compared to my palm of my hand. I really do love the packaging in it. I just think it's so beautiful. I will say the only thing that I've ever actually tried her is some glosses, and I really did enjoy them. That's why I really wanted to purchase, in particular, her lip stuff from this collection. So let's go ahead and give you some swatches on my hand, and then I'm going to put them on my lips. First one we have here is Wildin'. It's Wildin', but I feel like it's Wildin'. Alright. Okay. As you can see right here. And this is a sheer champagne gold. Okay, next one we have Feline Cute. I get it. Like feeling cute, feline cute. Oh my gosh. Feline Cute smells amazing. This is a sheer pale peach. Okay, next one here we have Hissy Fit. Ooh, this one's really pretty. This one's right up my alley. And this one is like a sheer sunset orange. And the last one we have is Bad Kitty. And this is more opaque color, and it is a warm terracotta. Okay, so this is what Wildin' looks like. It's actually pretty. It has more shimmer on it than I actually thought. It makes your lips look kind of like juicy, so I'm not mad at it. I really like that one. Okay, moving on to the second one. This one is right here. This is in the shade Feline Cute. Alright, and this is it on the lips. It definitely looks more of a peach shade. Definitely a little bit more of a tint to it, but it's still kind of opaque yet glossy. So yeah, I'm not mad at it. The comparison is kind of, it's a lot compared to this one, the second one, to my lips. But there it is. Alright, moving on to the next one. We have here Hissy Fit. And this one, you could tell it's definitely starting to get a little bit darker, but this one looks more orangish. Alright, here it is. This one is definitely the one that looks the best with this eye look, probably because it's more like in the sunset orange look. It's definitely glossy, doesn't feel sticky. I really like this one a lot. Alright, moving on to the last one in the little 4-piece high gloss set, and this one is in the color Bad Kitty. And as you can see, it's definitely doesn't look as sheer and has a little bit more color to it. Okay, and this is what Bad Kitty looks like. I really love this one. This is definitely more of a warm terracotta color. Yeah, it just kind of puts everything all together. It's definitely not as sheer as the other ones. Comparison, it definitely performs a little bit darker on the lips, but I'm not mad at it at all. I think it's really pretty, and I love how glossy it is and how non-sticky it is. So yeah, that is the set of the 4. So I don't know, I feel like this is one of my favorite things in the collection thus far. So these are the 4. And yeah, moving on to the final products of the collection that I purchased, and this is the matte liquid lipstick and lip liner bundle. This one is called Can't Be Tamed. It retails at $29. This is the packaging. Here she is again. This time minus the cowboy hat. Yeah, basically it's a lip kit, so I'm really excited to see this color because when I saw it online, it looked beautiful. It's definitely a fall color up my alley, so let's see some swatches. Here is the lip set. There is the lip set. It definitely looks like it's a darker color, but I am not mad at it at all. It looks really, really pretty. Okay, so this one right here is the lip liner, and this one right here is the actual lippy. They are definitely like a warm to deep terracotta color. Definitely not glossy. Like this one has a terracotta color, but it's more sheer and it's definitely glossy, whereas this one is definitely going to dry up a little bit more matte. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. It just got like mad dark out of nowhere, so let me go ahead. It looks like there's a storm coming, so let me lighten up a little bit. Hold on. All right, really quickly, this is just the liner, a little bit of lip liner and a little bit of it filled in. Now let's go ahead and add the matte lip to it. All right, guys, I had to turn on the lights because it got mad dark out there. There's literally a storm coming this way. So anyway, this is what it looks like with the actual lip on it. I absolutely love it. It's definitely like a different shade, kind of like the pumpkin Thanksgiving type of theme, but I love that so much. I love the autumn, I love the fall. I think that the lips, to me, the kit and the gloss set are absolutely amazing. They're definitely on the pricier side, but I definitely think that if you're going to pick up anything in the collection, I know the collection has some some blushes and highlights and everything like that. That I feel like I dealt without, you know. But the glosses just perform beautifully. The lippies I absolutely love, and the shadow, Kyshadow I guess it's called. I absolutely love this as well. I think the look is super cute. Not crazy about the rest of the stuff, but this is absolutely amazing. I'm happy I got this, you know, this little mini collection of mine. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you did purchase it, and also, like I said, if you do think that I should continue purchasing some of her products. Usually I'm kind of like on the fence, but after this one, I don't know, I'm digging it. I'm kind of excited. Oh my god, I can still see my eyebrows looking crazy. But anyway, thank you guys so much for, I know this is probably lengthy, but thank you guys so much for joining me. I love each and every one of you. Muchísimas gracias. Everyone stay blessed, stay healthy, and stay safe. Mwah. Ciao.